Welcome to our India News Hour. The retail industry is transforming into IoT devices. Internet of Things enabled retail market could be worth it by 2025 as more and more retail businesses adopt IoT technology to improve their products and services. It is estimated that there will be over 30 billion IoT connected devices around the world by 2021. McKinsey estimates that the potential economic impact of IoT in retail environments will range from $410 billion to $1.2 trillion per year by 2025. The increasing usage of smartphones is one of the major contributors that is likely to drive the market growth along with the increasing internet penetration in developing countries such as India, China and others. Developments in new age technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning and big data are also fueling the demand of the IoT in the ever-evolving retail market growth. With retailers increasingly investing in IoT, customers are bound to enjoy the smart shopping experience through a network of connections linking the physical and digital worlds into an ecosystem of devices. Technologies around smart shelves, 3D printing, drones, delivery robots and AI-driven platforms are enabling retailers to further automate and optimize supply chain operations, business efficiency and enhance shopping experience. There are numerous IoT-related benefits to the retail industry, but here are some of the most important ways we think IoT will change retail in the coming years. As more and more IoT devices penetrate across the industry, there is scope for massive revenue growth through better product throughput, improved inventory management for retailers along with increasing the overall shopper experience for the customer in the ever-competitive market. Let's look into today's headlines in VAR India. India has highest fintech adoption rate in world, says Piyush Goyal. Union Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal said India is poised to become one of the largest digital markets in the world. The ministry said that 87% India has the highest financial technological adoption rate in the world against the global average of 64%. He further said that India's UPI witnessed 3.6 billion transactions worth over $68 billion in August to make a record. CSC to work closely with BBNL for connecting rural India. Government promoted CSC SPV and said it will work in close coordination with BharatNet custodian BBNL in connecting rural India with broadband networks. At present, CSC has around 4 lakh common service centers that provide government services to people in rural India like Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, toilet scheme, farmers related policies, etc. As per the source, CSC, which has a network of around 4 lakh VLEs, mainly serving rural India, has been providing various government services to the masses and maintenance of BharatNet rural broadband is one of them. TCS partners with MCX to transform exchanges' core technology. Tata Consultancy Services will help Multi-Commodity Exchange of India to transform the exchange's core systems and support future growth, the IT major informs exchanges in its filing. TCS will design and deploy an ultra-low latency, high availability, high resilience and high performance solution that integrates multiple systems to transform MCX operations end-to-end according to a statement. Bharti Airtel to invest Rs 5,000 crore to triple data center capacity. Bharti Airtel subsidiary Nxtra will set up new data centers in Chennai, Mumbai, Pune and Kolkata. Nxtra expects Chennai data center to go live by October, Mumbai in the next 18 months and Kolkata by 2024. Ajay Chitkara, Director and CEO of Airtel Business, said its Nxtra unit will make the investment by 2025 with plans to build a data center economy across 80 cities in India, adding that the move will triple its installed capacity to more than 400 megawatt. Nxtra plans to add 40 megawatt capacity in the existing data centers in the next 5 to 6 months. B2B commerce platform Of Business valuation doubles to $3 billion. Vasant Sridhar, co-founder and CSO of B2B platform Of Business, confirmed the reports of the fresh funds raised from Tiger Global. The valuation hit $3 billion after the fresh investment of $200 million in a Series F. The company caters to the large small business segments in the country by providing raw material sourcing services to the manufacturing enterprises as well as credit to the business through its NBFC arm. It is almost a 2x jump from a $1.5 billion valuation in July this year. The company joins the likes of Moglix, Infra.Market and Zetworks that entered the Unicorn Club this year in the B2B infrastructure segment. That's it for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. Stay tuned. Thank you.